Did somebody say pumpkin? Take a look at these 3 farms.
Carlsbad Strawberry Company in San Diego County, immediately off the 5 freeway. What's unique about this place? They have apple cannons. You've got to try it. It feels so satisfying. Apples and cannons, who would have thought? Underwood Family Farms in LA County. This farm has an incredible stretch of land that is beautifully maintained, lots of animals, and staff that are super friendly and welcoming with a sweet little farmhouse market to buy fresh produce and gifts. Tanaka Farms in Orange County. This farm is so charming and definitely gets busy during the season. Lots of great looking pumpkins to take photos of the kids. It's a medium-sized farm that's definitely worth the trip.